Trying to stay active is much harder when your tracker feels confusing, misses useful data, or dies before your day is over. In this video, we're counting down the 7 best fitness trackers that help you understand your body better, stay motivated, and make your workouts feel more focused and rewarding. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Coros. When you are training consistently, one of the biggest frustrations is using a tracker that cannot keep up with your pace, your routes, or your recovery. This is the kind of device that makes much more sense for people who want a stronger sports focus instead of just basic daily step counting. One of the biggest advantages here is how clearly it delivers your information. The bright display makes it much easier to check your data in strong sunlight, dim early mornings, or during a fast workout when you do not want to struggle to read the screen. That simple convenience matters more than people expect, especially if you train outdoors often. It is also built for people who want serious battery confidence. Instead of constantly worrying about charging before every long run or weekend adventure, this watch is designed to stay ready for much longer. That makes it especially useful for runners, endurance athletes, and anyone who wants to train hard without always thinking about the battery. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Apple Watch Series 11. For many people, fitness tracking works best when it fits naturally into the rest of life. You do not just want workout data, you want health awareness, smart convenience, safety features, and something comfortable enough to wear all day and night. That is exactly why Apple Watch Series 11 earns its place in this list. One of its strongest benefits is how well it blends health tracking with everyday usability. You can monitor sleep quality, heart rhythm, and other important body signals while still having a device that also helps with calls, messages, reminders, and music. That balance makes it especially attractive for users who want one watch to cover both wellness and daily life. It also feels less intimidating than more sport-specific devices. The design is slim, comfortable, and easy to wear around the clock, which is important because the more consistently you wear a tracker, the more useful the insights become. From workouts to bedtime, it is built to stay part of your routine without feeling like a burden. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Amazfit Active Max. It is a strong choice for people who want a watch that feels ready for workouts, recovery, navigation, and everyday wear without becoming overwhelming. One of the first things users will appreciate is the display. A bright, clear screen makes a big difference when you are glancing at stats mid-run, during a gym session, or out in strong daylight. It helps the whole watch feel easier and more pleasant to use, especially if you like checking data quickly instead of digging through menus. Battery life is another major reason it stands out. A tracker becomes much more convenient when it can keep going through long stretches of normal life without sending you back to the charger all the time. That makes it especially attractive for busy people who want more tracking and less maintenance. It also offers a very broad fitness experience. With many workout modes, coaching features, energy monitoring, offline maps, and route guidance, it supports a lot more than casual activity tracking. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Fitbit Inspire HR. Not everyone wants a large watch packed with advanced sport features. Sometimes the best tracker is the one that stays simple, comfortable, and easy to wear every day without asking much from you. That is exactly why Fitbit Inspire still deserves attention. It is a great choice for people who want a straightforward fitness tracker that keeps daily health habits in focus. One of the biggest strengths here is ease of use. It tracks the essentials like heart rate, daily activity, calories, and sleep without making the experience feel too technical. That makes it especially appealing for beginners or anyone who wants to build healthier routines without getting buried in too much data. Its lightweight feel also matters a lot. A tracker that is comfortable enough to wear all day and through the night usually ends up being much more helpful than one that feels too bulky or distracting. Because this one stays small and simple, it can fit naturally into workdays, workouts, and sleep tracking without much effort. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Garmin Venue 4. Garmin Venue 4 is built for users who want strong wellness insights, broader workout support, and a device that helps connect the dots between lifestyle, recovery, and performance. One of the biggest reasons it ranks so highly is the depth of its health tracking. It does not just collect a few surface-level numbers. It helps you understand energy, stress, sleep, recovery, and overall body signals in a more complete way. That makes it especially useful for people who want to improve not only workouts, but also the habits around those workouts. The fitness side is equally strong. With a wide range of activity modes, training support, coaching plans, and readiness insights, it gives users a lot more direction than a basic tracker. That is valuable whether you are building running goals, mixing different training styles, or simply trying to exercise more consistently without burning yourself out. It also works well as an everyday smartwatch. You can take calls, use connected phone features, and stay in touch without sacrificing the serious fitness side of the watch. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Some people need a tracker that feels tougher, stronger, and more ready for demanding workouts and outdoor challenges. That is exactly where this pick makes such a strong impression. It is built for users who want a more rugged watch experience while still getting modern health insights and performance guidance. One of the biggest advantages here is durability. If you train outside, ride in rougher conditions, deal with dust, rain, or long active days, it helps to have a watch that feels built for that lifestyle. That extra toughness gives more confidence when the watch is part of intense activity instead of just light daily wear. It also does a great job of turning your recent data into more useful feedback. Rather than only showing basic numbers, it tries to help you understand readiness and performance trends so you can approach your next session with better awareness. That can be especially helpful for runners, cyclists, and active users trying to improve steadily over time. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Polar Vantage. One of the biggest reasons why this fitness tracker is on this list is the depth of its training and recovery focus. This is not just a watch for recording what happened. It is designed to help you understand how your body is handling effort, when to push, and when to back off. That makes it incredibly valuable for people who want real guidance instead of a flood of disconnected stats. It also offers strong navigation and outdoor support. Detailed maps and reliable positioning can make a huge difference for runners, hikers, cyclists, and multi-sport users who want more confidence when training outside. A watch becomes much more useful when it helps you move well and stay on course at the same time. Battery life is another major strength, especially for people who train often and do not want charging to become part of every routine. The bright screen, broad sports support, and more complete performance tools all come together in a way that feels highly athlete-focused without losing everyday usefulness. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best fitness trackers you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.